everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. We are about to head to Dubuque with our first load of corn for the day. We are working on the field that Travis bought, and so far the yield is just over 200 bushels to the acre. The moisture, not great, and it's pretty much come to crunch time with harvesting. So far we haven't had a single bushel that's been dry, and we just broke open the headlands yesterday just to get a head start this morning. I'm leaving first thing in the morning to get down to Dubuque when Viterra opens. Let's go. Only second in line, not too bad. This corn's for Travis Kuster. Going to be load 6 or 7 today. Set it up! In true fashion, stirrator's not working. Looks like the third one got a little buried. We just dug it out and tried starting it up, and it didn't really want to turn, which is making me a little worried. It looks like it did go around maybe one more time because it wasn't all the way out last night, and it was actually in, so it's moved out and gone around. It just took us a day and a half to harvest that field, and it averaged over 225 bushels to the acre, which, believe it or not, is 50 bushels less than it was last year. But we're going to be moving to one of my fields next. I wasn't able to get the drone out to get much footage of the combine in this video, but I'm hoping to tomorrow. So with that, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat, all How Farms Work. And if you guys have been watching to this point in the video, I'm going to leave a little extra emphasis on leave a comment in this video because I'm going to be giving away this 8x10 photo. I'll sign it and send it to you. But I'm testing out our photography website to test the print quality because they have new people who print these off. And I just wanted to test out the different kinds of photos that they offer. And this one's got a nice plastic protective sheeting, but yeah, leave a comment if you're interested in a chance to win. I'll pick it at random. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys.